What's up, guys? Welcome back. Well, we had another sell-off day. Hopefully your Friday went pretty well and you're able to capitalize on it some. If you were here yesterday, I was talking about I actually need to kind of go with my instinct on stuff and not be crazy and do stuff right. And I did. This morning, market opened up and I kind of expected to trade in that range or maybe continue on. And then when I looked at the after hours this morning, I was like, okay, yeah, it looks like it's gonna keep going, because there wasn't much going on after hours. It stayed pretty flat, really. And then yeah, it wasn't like a reversal right here. It stayed pretty flat, so that's like a big bear flag. And then I actually woke up really late, but I saw the SPY doing this. Why does this look so weird? Yeah. Okay, I saw the SPY coming up just a little bit, but not reversal. Reversal from a day like this would be probably pretty dramatic, as you saw later today. But yeah, I saw the SPY doing a little bump there, and I was like, all right, this is my chance to jump in on some puts, some UVXY, whatever I can do to short the market. So I didn't want to think too much about it to figure out which individual stock I wanted to necessarily go down. At that point, there was a lot of stuff that was up even a little bit. I know like pre-COVID stuff was up. But yeah, SPY right around here. See, yeah, this is like right when I got in. And I was like, all right, this isn't showing signs of strength. And so it's probably gonna be another sell-off. Right about here, I bought SPY puts. And I'll show you the order. So order history. Let me know if you guys like the background music. A little quiet. And the volume on it. And my mic should sound better now. Didn't clip hardly ever. Alright, so there's a lot of plays today, man. But we'll start with this SPY. This SPY put that I bought that I made some money on. So it was right here. Nope. Right here. I bought this morning at 9:44. So you saw at 9:44 it was still kind of up though. If you're looking at the chart, break it down so you guys know what I'm looking at. 9:44. I mean, it hadn't started really plummeting at all. So I was like right here. Look at the 1 minute candles. Yeah. See, so it's showing like maybe a little sign of strength. So I knew that the puts weren't going to be really expensive yet. So I bumped in. Let's see. Yeah, right about here, 9:44. There it is. So it hadn't reversed. It hadn't had strength going up. I bought the SPY put. They were kind of expensive. I got dailies, so I got ones that expired today, because they will increase in value the most if it does go down fast. However, they expire today. So at that point, it was at, what day is that? I'm looking at the wrong day. There's a little bump. Okay. That point is at 347. I got 3 SPY puts, two SPY puts. Not a huge like YOLO play. I wanted to be kind of careful. Got them 29 cents, and I got 2 of them. Wish I got more, of course, in the end, but 2 is all I got. I was looking at other stuff. I got also Bank of America puts, and then I got that for 2 cents. Ended up selling one back, I guess. No, I don't know what that is. I was trying to get more puts on on BA. Those didn't fill. You can see I do a lot of limit orders, and if it doesn't get to my price, I just let that decide if I'm gonna get it or not, oftentimes. But then here, so I sold one SPY put for $1.79, so that's $179 out of a, let's see, 30. At that point, it was pretty much a $60 or $58 investment, and it hadn't even dropped that much yet. This was at 1021. So if you look at 1021, that was right here. So it's kind of starting to consolidate a little bit, and just a real quick consolidation. I wasn't sure if it was going to reverse. I was like, Just in case, because if it starts to like do a quick reverse, it's so quick, and the premium on those options they just get wiped out so fast. So I was like, I want to make it free at least. So I sold one, and then I had one more going. So I'd already made that point. Let's see, this, I think this is like 60 bucks. Yeah, $58. That point we were up, you know, 120 bucks. And then, as you know, the day kept going and the SPY kept dropping. And then I sold my last one at 10.50. I feel like this one was timed pretty well, for $3.55, so $355. So 10.50, yep, right here. I saw this big green candle, and if it, I was like, I don't think so. Yep, wow, I bottom ticked that thing perfect. It really was. It was like right around in here. When it was here, it was worth like 1,500%, the contract, and then here, as it was starting to come up, it was like 1,100, so that's when I sold it. Whew, that was sick. That's how I used to feel like make money, especially on Webull. Lost my mojo with known as volatility. Everything's just been slowly going up. But that's what I need to do. I need to just adjust with the market. I know that. It's hard. It's hard mentally to just adjust the plays you're making and do, you know, SPY credit spreads for slow market gains. And then when it gets really volatile, just be ready to, you know, get puts or UVXY or, you know, VIX or whatever you're getting for a down market. Yeah, and then I'll show you the other plays I did here on Webull. I kind of went crazy since it was down so much, and then at this point I was like, okay, this looks like a reversal. Like I was like, okay, it's kind of gonna just trade in this range, and then I was away for this over here, but I was like, this is a bottom at least. I thought that was a bottom. And then on the hourly chart you can see, yeah, so if it would have been a bear flag if it traded here and then it kind of kept in this range, but the fact that it climbed back up, I was like, all right, that's reversal. So you'll see some of my other trades here that whoops, you'll see some other trades I made. I basically just went heavy in buying on the upside going up. So, well, I bought a bunch of BAC puts. I didn't really make money on these though. I sold them back. They were really cheap. I sold that one. GE, oh, I sold that one back, yeah. So I kept buying really cheap put contracts that expired like today, just in case other ones kept going down, but I was able to get out of them, and they were cheap. So sell SPY, sold, okay, GE, okay, right here. So then I started buying, then I bought a call, and I wanted on the upside. All right, I was like, okay, I think this is a bottom. Given it could kind of stay in this range and just consolidate it for who knows how long, or it could keep going down. But I'm thinking it's gonna go back up in the next month. I think we'll be back where we were, honestly. So I bought 356 September 25th SPY call, which is kind of a short one for me. I got it for 142, and I bought it at, you can see right here, 11 o'clock. So at 11 o'clock, let's see, let me show you where it was. So it was right here. Yep. Just because it was staying flat here. Maybe it was, well, that was pretty early actually. This right day, yeah. Yeah, I bought it here. I thought this is a bottom, it's not gonna keep going. And even if it did, I didn't think it'd just keep going, like maybe it'd come down further and then I could scale in more. But yeah, I bought that call, and that's up, at some point that was up like 60 bucks, but SPY kind of settled down at the end of the day. But that's up now a little bit. And then I bought shares of Tesla on all my accounts. I wanted to get Tesla at a cheaper price, so I bought shares of Tesla, and I think my average price on here is now $400. I got it like 380, and then I bought in more, and then, but yeah, so that's the Webull, and then this is the Robinhood. So I got Tesla calls on here too. This is a debit spread. So on my Webull I can only do naked, so I did naked call, and on here I did a debit spread, which at one point this was up quite a bit, but it kind of settled down also. This expires October 9th. I only got one of these because I don't have any collateral left, because I had that SPY credit spread expiring that took up all my collateral. But today overall was pretty flat. It's really weird. It was so much fluctuation, so much, you know, down 700 bucks at one point, 800 bucks, then it came up, and different stocks doing different things. It was wild. a lot of my covered calls, yeah, they all expired. And I should have collateral back too, because the SPY credit spread expired. I didn't open up another one since it's a long weekend. So it'll just be, I'll just open one up on Tuesday probably. But I'm gonna be very conservative with those. But we'll see for next week. I did a SPY debit spread also to try and get that upside on SPY. I just see the SPY going back up now. If you look on, you know, it could stay in this range for a bit, but I don't know. Or it could go down really. But if you look on the RSI, I mean, it's super oversold. MACD, it looks like it's leveled off here. So I would imagine Tuesday will be kind of in this range, Wednesday, and then sometime, hopefully before the election, it'll come back up here to where it was, or even above. If you look on daily chart, it's kind of, I mean, it's a big red couple days. Like those are big, even on the daily chart. But look at how overbought we were on the SPY. So I haven't really traded SPY much until these credit spreads, and now I'm doing options on them. It's weird. But yeah, so it's at 53 now on the RSI. I think it's probably pretty safe where it's at. I feel like it'll trade in this range or reverse back up. We'll see. But yeah, I'm trying to catch that upside and get these calls while they were cheap. So I got one on here too. Got one on here, and I got one on my E-Trade. And then the Tesla, the Tesla calls, they were going crazy for a while. On my E-Trade one said I was up like 1100. I went pretty heavy on Tesla calls and shares. So I sold out of, I don't even know. I sold out of a lot of stuff. I'm like, I don't want this stuff anymore. I sold out of NCLH. I liked it, but I don't like it enough for my long term, and I don't want that many stocks. And I need more capital to invest in Tesla. So I got 7 shares of Tesla. What else did I sell out of? I think that was it, because that was the only thing I was really green on today, or overall still. Yeah, the RKT, man, this has been what's really been pulling my account down. The first day SPY went down, my account came down. But really this, in the last, I mean, just since I bought it in September 2nd, 3rd, 4th, I've lost 716 on Rocket. The name got me, man. I thought I was gonna rocket. No, for some reason I'm still bullish on that long term. I feel like it's gonna be good. I don't know, but I'd like to get 100 shares though, so I could at least sell covered calls. That's the bummer thing for me on like Tesla and Uber and Spot. Like these take a lot of money to have 100 shares of. Let's see, what is it today? Yeah, AL was up today, car was up yeah, stuff started going back up, so we might still when the market opens Tuesday, it might be kind of finishing that rotation into pre-COVID stuff. So carnivals, travel, leisure, you know, pre-COVID. I don't know, or maybe everything will be coming up because of this crazy drop we just had. We'll get a bounce. But that was my plays for today. It worked out well. I mean, I don't, what do we even make on that? I didn't even add it up. Need to add it up for that thumbnail. I didn't go huge on it. I mean, I could have gone much bigger. It just, when plays are quick like this, sometimes you got to be careful. And I've lost quite a bit at different times. So, I can find it right here. No, it's not that one. There's the call. Order history. SPY call. SPY put. Okay, so we bought it for 29 cents times 2. There's 2 of them. Okay, so 58 cents. And then sold it. Wait a minute. I could do it. Well, I could do it this way and just do negative. Minus 1.79 minus 3.55. It's going to be a negative number. So $476. That's what we made on that trade. It's 58. Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That was legit. And you see this account, it's up $700 today or so, or it was. Tesla's going down maybe after hours. Which is good. This account hasn't been green in a while, just because I haven't been trading on it. I've just had all these options. I'm just kind of trying to get out of when they get positive, and then I haven't been putting in any new options that are profitable. I've just been leaving it alone for the most part. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope your day was green somehow if you made it out. got the puts, got the UVXYs, got, you know, got into the VIX, whatever your play is for market crashes. But when it's volatile, you can definitely make a lot. And when it settles back down, I'm going to be probably pretty heavy into SPY credit spreads, as well as just setting this account up just with long-term shares that I like. Thanks, guys. Remember to like up, sub up, comment down, make your money happy money. So stick around. Peace out. Have a good Labor Day weekend. Later.